Hello students, welcome to Shourabh's classes. So in today's video, we'll be solving a few economics MCQs. So first we'll start with a question. So in this question, there are two lists are given. So there are two lists given. So in list 1, few theories are given. In list 1, few theories are given. And in list 2, name of the propounder of these theories are given. So we have to match list 1 with list 2. So what I'll do is I'll simply write down the names. So in list 1, first A given as profit as a dynamic process. Profit as a dynamic process. Now the option B is given as profit as a reward for innovation. The third option is given as profit as a reward for uncertainty bearing. Profit as a reward for uncertainty bearing, and option D is given as profit are due to monopoly power. The next option is given is profit are due to what? It is due to monopoly power. So these four options are given, as you can see. So in list 2 there are four options given. So the first one is given as J. You can see it's competitor. The next option is given as M. Kaleski, M. Kaleski. The third option is given as F.H. Knight, and the last option is given as J.B. Clark, and the last option is given as J.B. Clark. So we need to find out the right option from these two. So we know that profit as a dynamic process was given by whom? So now we'll start to explain the question. So we know profit as a dynamic process was given by J.B. Clark. So we'll explain what is profit as a dynamic process. So profit process, this basically talks about, so it was propounded by J.B. Clark. First of all, we need to understand it was propounded by J.B. Clark in 1990s. In 1990, it was propounded by whom? It was propounded by J.B. Clark. We know, according to him, profit is the difference between price and cost of the production of a commodity. So according to him, profit is what? Profit is the difference between price of the commodity and cost of the production of the commodity, and the cost of the production. So from here we know, now according to him, profit is basically result of a dynamic process. So profit is result of a dynamic process. So what is dynamic process? So according to him, the static process is the opposite of dynamic process. So in static process, according to him, profit does not arise. Why? Because static economy is the one which the things do not change significantly or remains unchanged. So in static economy, what happens? The things do not change or remains, things remain unchanged. Things remain unchanged. So profit as a dynamic process was given by whom? It was given by J.B. Clark in 1990. So for option A, the right answer would be what? It will be J.B. Clark. So J.B. Clark will be with option A. Now we'll go to the next point. So in this next point it is given profit as a reward for innovation. So in this question it is given profit as a reward for innovation. So it was basically formulated by whom? Profit as a reward for innovation was postulated by the person called J. Schumpeter. So this profit as a innovation, it was propounded by whom? It was propounded by J. Schumpeter. What did he say? He basically said that profit is a necessary reward for inducing individuals to undertake risk associated with developing new production techniques or new marketing strategies. So these individuals earn higher than normal profits, but such profits are of a transitory nature. So what do we know? Innovation theory of profit was given by whom? It was given by Schumpeter. First of all, we need to remember this. And profit as a reward for the concept that an entrepreneur can earn economic profit. An entrepreneur can earn economic profit by introducing successful innovation. By introducing successful innovation. So profit is what? Profit is a reward for innovation. So this was given by whom? This was given by J. Schumpeter. Now we'll go to the next one. So we are done with the first two. Next one, it is given profit as a reward for uncertainty bearing. Profit as a reward for uncertainty bearing. It was given by whom? Profit as a reward for uncertainty bearing. So profit as a reward for uncertainty bearing. This theory was given by whom? This theory was given by F.H. Knight. So this theory was given by F.H. Knight. So according to F.H. Knight, according to him, the Knight's theory of profit was proposed by F. Knight, who believed that profit as a reward for uncertainty bearing, not to risk bearing. So he said, according to him, according to H. Knight, profit is a reward for uncertainty bearing, not to risk bearing, Simply, profit is the residual return to entrepreneur for bearing the uncertainty in the business. Thus, risk element of such events is not insurable. So the risk element is not insurable. So for this we know profit as a reward for uncertainty. It was given by whom? It was given by F.H. Knight. And finally we are left with the last option, which says profit are due to monopoly power. It was given by whom? It was given by M. Kaleski. Now what we'll do is we'll simply explain what is this concept that profit are basically reward for what? Profit are basically reward for monopoly power. So this theory basically talks about that is the reward earned by entrepreneur for bearing risk. It is terms at supernormal profit analysis. So it is terms at what? It is terms at supernormal profit analysis. So it is terms as supernormal profit analysis. So we know what that is. Entrepreneur for bearing risk. Entrepreneur for bearing risk is what? It is terms at basically supernormal profit. It is terms at supernormal profit. Now profit may imply monopoly profit. Profit may imply monopoly profit. Now it is earned by firm through extortion. So we know it is earned by firm through what? Through extortion, because monopoly power in the market, because monopoly power so it was given by whom? It was given by Mcq Ugc. So in this question it was given, that is profit as a dynamic process. Profit as a dynamic process was given by whom? It was given by J.B. Clark. Profit as a reward for innovation. Profit as a reward for innovation was given by whom? It was given by Competitor, J.S. Competitor. So it will be B. Now profit as a reward for uncertainty bearing, not risk bearing, it was given by F.H. Knight. And finally, profit are due to monopoly power was given by Mcq Ugc. So this will be option D. So we have been able to match the list 1 with list 2. I hope you guys have understood it. If you still have any query or doubt, you can simply WhatsApp me on this number, which is 9836793076, or you can also go to our website, which is www.sourabsirsclasses.com. There you will find a lot of other videos like this, and you will also get to see a lot of other materials which are needed for different entrance exam. So thank you for watching this video and have a nice day ahead.